Good afternoon, students. Welcome in SCP lecture. Today's I will start the remaining part of chapter number 7. Okay, that is chapter is nomenclature and uses of surgical instrument and hospital equipments and health accessories. In that we have seen the introduction. In introduction part, scissors. In that straight blunt scissor, straight pointed scissor, angled scissor either pointed or blunt. Then switch cutting scissor for switches and lister bandage scissor to cut bandage. Then B is the tissue forceps. In tissue forceps, back cock to onto the tissue forceps and to the tissue forceps. Okay. Then next is hemostatic forceps. Okay. In hemostatic forceps, the other name is artery forceps. For this is an incorrect name. These are used to check the blood flow from the vessel. Okay. Then next is towel clip or corner clip. In that, these are the preparatory or surgery accessory used to fix surgical towels in manner which reduces the risk of contamination. Corner clip are of the following types, that is Doyne's type, then Gray's type, then Backhouse type, and Moynihan's tetra towel forceps, which have two pointed at each clip. Okay. Then next is dissecting forceps. In that, first is plain dissecting forceps, whose inner side is serrated and has been spring-like handle. Then toothed type, which are either Millin's type or Victor Bonnet type. Then next is scalpels and their blades. Then needles. Mainly there are two types of needles, that is hypodermic needles for parenterals and surgical needles which are solid and used in switches. Then next is needle holders, then rubber catheters, then miscellaneous instruments, in that tongue holding forceps, then sponges holding forceps, bone cutting forceps, bone holding forceps, then piles holding forceps, intestinal clamp, then laminectomy saw, that is Horney's type. Okay, here are these points we will see in previous lecture. Okay, now I will start the remaining part of this chapter, that is point is other equipments. In that, ECG, electrocardiogram machine, takes in an electrocardiogram. Okay, it is an must for any hospital these days. Multi-channel ECG analyzer machines are available which gives the complete ECG. Okay, these are the CardioVisit 85. Okay, interpretation and extensive measurement for instant diagnosis. Then Hinditron in India markets the CardioVit 85. These are the CardioVit 85. Then X-ray machines. In X-ray machines takes internal photographs and is a part of any radiological department. It is a great diagnostic tool. Okay, these are the X-ray machines. First is exposure switch, then second is the charging hose, then power switch. 7 number is the power switch. Second number is the beam cone. Then third number is the corner panel. Then fourth is the charging hole. 5 is the LCD screen. 6 is indicate lights, and 7 is the power of switch. Okay. Then next is the Doppler echocardiography. Next is Doppler echocardiography, in which today's ultrasound Doppler is an increasingly important method of diagnosing human diseases and many kinds of the health problems. It is invasive. It is non-invasive. It is used for the diagnosis of heart disease. Okay. Doppler echocardiography, in which today ultrasound Doppler is an increasingly important method of diagnosing human diseases and many kind of the health problems. It is non-invasive. It is used for the diagnosis of heart diseases. Then video monitoring equipments. In video monitoring equipments, many sophisticated hospitals have video monitoring equipments for eye surgery and for arthroscopy of knee joints. In sophisticated hospitals have video monitoring equipments for eye surgery and for the arthroscopy of knee joints. Then glucometer, blood glucose meter. Glucometer is the blood glucometer, a single button. In that, a single button operated compact with gives results of blood sugar in the minute and stores previous results in the memory in now available in many hospitals. Okay, these are the glucometer. Okay, then CT scanner. In that, latest generation scanners, computed tomography, popularly known as the CT, are a new vision of our medicine. Then over the last 15 years, CT scanning has produced an enormous technological advance in a morphological analysis for all organ. Okay, then scanner have electrical guns which generate X-ray, which are then accelerated and reflected off their targets in a narrow electronic beam. These signals are collected by electrons, digitalized, and are stored for analysis. Okay, then CT scanners find it difficult to analyze a constantly moving structure like heart, but now an Ematron ultra fast scanner has been developed to overcome in this difficulty. Then scanner are used extensively for, first is head, orbit, ear, neck, then PNS, then abdomen, pelvis, then spines, extremities, then as also called as joints, extremities or joints, and 3D. Okay, in CT scanner, latest generation scanner computed tomography, popularly known as the CT, are new vision of medicine. Okay, over the last 15 years, CT scanning has produced an enormous technology advance in the morphological analysis of all organs. Scanner have electronic guns which generate the X-ray, which are then accelerated and reflected off their targets in the narrow electronic beam. These signals are collected by electrons, digitalized, and are stored for analysis. CT scanner find it difficult to analyze a constantly moving structure like heart, but now an Ematron ultra-fast scanner has been developed to overcome these difficulties. Scanners are used to extensively for, first is head, and that head injury, then convulsion, stroke, then chronic headache, then galactroia, then mental retardation, then meningitis or encephalitis, then loss of memory and optic atrophy. Okay, then orbit, in that proptosis, injury, and ear bleed, then ear, in that otorrhea, then cholesteatoma, then ear bleed. In neck, parotid tumor, then thyroid mass, change in the voice, then non-specific neck mass. In PNS, chronic sinusitis, then tumor, then in abdomen or pelvis, abdominal mass, then STCs, then obstructive jaundice, CA, CBD, calculus, then TB, lymphadenopathy and PUO. In spine, fractus, tumor, infection, disc, that is radiating pain in the legs, then spinal canal stenosis. In extremities or joints, tumor, infection and foreign body. And last is 3D, in that reconstructive surgery of face, then H of hip joints and H spine, etc. Okay, I will stop here. Remaining part we will discuss in next lecture. Okay, thank you.